Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can legalize your document that you received it from the Netherlands to use it outside of the Netherlands. So the first step you need to follow is you need to look for the document using Google. You can use the exact word which is called legalization of Dutch documents for use abroad. When you use this exact word, then the first button is the link that you need to click. But you may also use a different search word like legalization of the Netherlands to use it outside of the Netherlands. When you use a different search text, you will have also search links, and there are similar links. So it's legalization of Dutch documents for use abroad, and also legalizing a Dutch document with an apostille, and legalization of foreign documents for use in the Netherlands. So here, this one is if you bring a document from another country and if you want to use it in the Netherlands. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to legalize of your Dutch document so that you can use it outside of the Netherlands. Then you click here. It will take you to the Government of the Netherlands webpage. And in this webpage, to use a Dutch document abroad like an educational certificate, marriage certificate, or medical certificate, you may need to have it legalized. So the first thing you need to check is the type of the document in the country where you want to use it. For example, you may want to legalize birth certificate or certificate of conduct or court order or death certificate, but my objective is to show you how to legalize diploma or list of grades of a course. Then I click on it, and then as an example for this video, I'm going to use Ethiopia, but you can also use a different country. Then find out what you need to do here. Then there are more information. For example, the check whether you need a translation or not, or other useful informations like legalization by the consular service center. So you can click each links and then read about it. In most cases, the starting point is Education Executive Agency, in abbreviation called DUO. So I am going to click it. Then it will take me to a different web page. In that web page, I can see the Dutch diploma abroad, the diploma legalization, how the legalization works, and the requirements for legalization at the desk, and also legalization by registered mail, because you can also fill a form and send it via postal service and then ask for legalization, and the fee and the contact detail. So I'm going to show you the legalization at their desk. There are 3 desks: Amsterdam, also in Groningen, and in Rotterdam. In 3 of the desks, it displays the opening hours and the address and also the payment method. Please note here, you can only pay with PIN. It means you cannot use cash for the payment. The opening hour from Monday to Friday from 9 to 1 p.m. So they only work in the morning. In Groningen, in Rotterdam, they open from 10 until 4 p.m., which is 2 hours from morning and 4 hours from the afternoon. In Amsterdam, similar to Rotterdam. So note that, but before you go to the desk, you need to make an appointment. and you click make an appointment, and then you choose the office. For example, I choose Groningen because I live in Groningen, and then you choose the date. The green dates are the dates that are not reserved. These are blank because it's closed. For example, you can also choose March or April or February. It depends on your availability. So let's say I may click on February 18, and then it asks me the time. I choose Groningen. Groningen works only in the morning. I may say 11, and then it asked me the title. I may say Miss or Mr. I need to write the first name, the middle name, the last name, the date of birth, the email address, and the social security number if you are living in the Netherlands, the telephone number and postal code. After finishing filling this, you need to save it here, this one, because I didn't fill, that's why it becomes red. But if it were correctly filled, then it will just save it, and then an email will be sent to my email. Then based on the appointment, I can go to the desk. The desk is as follows. So this is the desk in Groningen, and this is the gate. You can see the desk for legalizing your documents. Your documents can be your bachelor or your master's or your PhD documents. On the window of the building, the name of the office, which is called Belastingdienst, Dienstuitvoering Onderwijs. You can also put this name on Google Map, and then it will show you the direction when you walk from the Europa Park train station to this, because Europa Park train station is the nearest train station in Groningen to this place. Is 5 minutes walking from the Europa Park train station. It is in this direction. This direction is a train station. Then you can walk passing the bicycle parking. This is desk 11. Before you go to this desk, you need to go to the reception and tell them that you have an appointment to legalize your documents. Don't forget to have your ID or passport with you, and then they will tell you where to go, most probably to desk 11, but they will give you also an ID. And then you go to desk 11, you hand every document that you need to be legalized, and then they tell you to pay around €8 per document, and within 5 and 6 minutes your legalization is ready. This is the place where you start the first legalization process. The next one is in Den Haag. This is Den Haag Central. After you take off from the train, you need to go to the left of the gate of the train. There is train road. You cross that train road. In front of the train station, there are two buildings. It is this white building, and to the left of this white building is the IND. This is IND. It's not possible to record inside, so I only record the gate of the IND. So what you do is you go inside, you take a number. When your number is called, you give your documents, and it is €10 per document, and then you will just wait 10 to 20 minutes, and they will call you, and your legalization is ready by about in average 15 minutes. So this is Den Haag Central. in front of the Den Haag Central is the IND for legalization. In the third step of legalization, you need to go to your respective embassy. As an example, since I am from Ethiopia, I can go to Ethiopian embassy for the third step of legalization.